Hello beautiful YouTube people, my name is Piet and welcome to my channel where I share everything I know about human-centered design and digital marketing. You're watching the Sketch for Beginners video series, and in this very first episode I'm going to give you an overview of what Sketch is and why it's so amazing. Sketch is a Mac-only vector-based design tool. It's almost like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop had a baby, except that baby was genetically enhanced, and now we sit with a simplified, elegant, powerful design tool for the modern product designer. With Sketch you can design pixel-perfect websites, mobile apps and software. Even user experience designers use it to make rough mock-ups and to design high-fidelity wireframes. Sketch has so many cool features, it's really an indispensable tool for any UI or UX designer. I must admit, I was a total Photoshop snob. When Sketch came out, I was very hesitant to try it. I mean, there's a lot of history between me and Photoshop. We go way back to 1999. When I switched to Sketch about 2 years ago, I realized that life can be better for UI designers. But in this video, I'm only going to go through 5 highlights that I feel is very cool. So let's take a look at why Sketch is so amazing. Let's go. In Sketch, you can create reusable responsive components to help speed up your workflow. Here we have an iPhone mock-up of a fictitious banking app. Now imagine you had to design a tablet version of this iPhone app. No problemo. Just take a look. Let's duplicate this artboard of the iPhone and resize the artboard to a typical tablet resolution. In this case, I'm going to give it a width of 768 pixels and a height of 1024 pixels. Now watch as I resize the header. Can you see how these objects behave? Almost like a live, responsive website. It's almost like magic. Although it's not perfect for every scenario, it sure helps a lot to speed up your workflow. Oh, and just try doing this with Photoshop. Let's talk about Sketch Mirror. Sketch Mirror is a genius little feature that allows you to preview your design on an actual mobile device as you make design changes. I mean, it's one thing to view your design on your monitor screen, but quite another to view it on an actual mobile device. Sketch Mirror gives you the immediate feedback you need so your designs can be appropriate for whatever device you're designing for. Highlight number 3 for me is Sketch plugins. Wow! You won't believe the amount and the kind of plugins you can add to Sketch to enhance your workflow and productivity. For instance, there's an icon font plugin which allows you to search for icons right within Sketch. This saves so much time. It's incredible. Just look at how easy it is to find and use icons. Another insanely useful plugin is Craft. Craft is a plugin made by InVision. Craft has many useful features. One in particular that I use several times a day is its ability to sync your artboards in Sketch straight to InVision. Just look. All you have to do is select the artboards you want in your InVision project, then go to Craft and select Sync. Amazing! Highlight number 4 is Sketch's layout and grid tools. As you may know, working with grid and layout systems is super important in keeping your designs consistent. Sketch has a really great tool for setting up your grids and layouts. It's such a huge time saver. Highlight number 5 is symbols and styles. My friends, this is a big one. Just look at how easy it is to change the styling in multiple components all at once. Here's an example of how you can change the layout of a component only once, and then the change reflects in all the other components. And here's an example of changing a text style. Just watch as I change this tab label from white to blue and how the other tab labels update as well. And there you go, my friends, 5 highlights that I feel is very cool. Remember, this is only the tip of the iceberg. And before I go, if you find this useful and you'd like to know more about Sketch, product design, human-centered design, and digital marketing, please subscribe and you won't miss out on any of the videos coming out.